You're watching Marketing Midday. It's Monday, June 27th, and these are the headlines. Adobe is testing a free web version of Photoshop in Canada that will soon be available to all users.
A new report says 90% of consumers are more likely to remember an ad that is funny, but 55% of advertisers are weary of using humor.
Google is testing new formats and layouts for its featured snippets in search results, including a layout that uses up to 4 featured snippets.
Pinterest has introduced new idea ads and a paid partnership tool for brands to partner with Pinterest creators.
2 updates from Facebook. The main feed is being restructured around video content, and parent company Meta announced a new feedback policy to ensure that customer reviews are authentic. Those are our top 5 headlines of the week. What they mean for you coming up next.
I'm Jamie.
And I'm Matt. Thank you for watching Marketing Midday, your source for the latest digital marketing news. Adobe started testing a free web version of Photoshop, according to The Verge. The web version is being tested in Canada, but should be available soon for anyone with a free Adobe account. Adobe's goal is to, quote, make Photoshop more accessible and easier for people to try. Adobe has described the service as freemium and will eventually gate off some features, which will be exclusive for paying subscribers.
A new report from Oracle and Gretchen Rubin found that 90% of people are more likely to remember ads that are funny, but only 18% of business leaders report using humor in their online ads. The report also found that 72% of people would choose a humorous brand over competitors. When a brand uses humor, 80% of people are more likely to purchase again and to recommend the brand to friends and family. Based on this data, humor helps build brand loyalty.
Google is testing new formats and layouts for its featured snippets in search results. According to Search Engine Land, Google typically shows only 1 featured snippet, but the latest test shows up to 4 featured snippets for 1 query. The featured snippet position is highly coveted by site owners and SEOs. The possibility of having up to 4 websites in the featured snippet position could change click-through rates and conversions for sites that move into these positions.
According to Search Engine Land, Pinterest has introduced idea ads and paid partnership tools. Idea ads are an immersive multi-page format designed for advertisers to, quote, showcase ideas in action. When shoppers click on the ads, they're taken to the brand's website to view relevant information. Additionally, Pinterest announced a new paid partnership tool that allows brands to partner with Pinterest creators. Using the new tool, brands can review tags from creators and approve or deny the content. Brands will benefit from the authenticity of creators' content and can also promote the creators' content as their own idea ad.
Facebook is restructuring the main feed around video content, according to a leaked internal memo first reported by The Verge. The main feed will be turned into, quote, a discovery engine. Instead of showing posts from accounts people follow, the main feed will start heavily recommending short videos regardless of where they came from, similar to TikTok. In other Facebook news, parent company Meta announced a new community feedback policy to, quote, clearly share what we allow and prohibit within customer feedback. The new policy was created to ensure that reviews on products and services are based on real purchasing experiences and to reduce fraudulent feedback. The policy will apply to all Meta apps and will treat positive and negative feedback equally. The new policy will combine automated technology and human reviewers to help ensure all feedback is compliant before it is published. Those are our top 5 stories of the week. Be sure to follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and join our mailing list.
Thank you for watching Marketing Midday. Tune in next Monday for the latest digital marketing news.